You can get closer, Mama. Not to me, to the water. She ain't feeling that water, y'all. She won't get no closer than that first red brick right there. Like it splashed her ankles a little. You wanna go over there? Good job. Little lady. Did you have fun? We had fun? I'm weak. You want to get on that? She looking at this thing right here. The slip. I know she gonna find her a slide if she don't find nothing else. Make sure it's not hot. Let me touch it. Make sure it's not too hot. Oh, it's okay. You gonna slide, Mama? Let the slide down. Sit. Good job. Ready, set, go. Look how she looked up. She said, this slide ain't sliding. Girl said, come on, Mama. Come on down. Listen, you should have seen when she stopped, she said, good job, big girl. That was fun. Go again. Go. You can do it. Good job, big girl. Ooh. Sit. Good job. Ready, set, go. Good job, big girl.
Little bear.
listening.